Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet an orange fruit coaster. I am using a 4mm crochet hook for my project and this 3-ply yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then we would make chains with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and after making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and we would work into this ring. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2, then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn, go into the ring and then draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. This is our second double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 3 into the ring, then make double crochet 4, then double crochet 5, and in this way we would make total of 12 double crochet stitches into the ring. So I have made 12 double crochet stitches into the ring. Now we would make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch, and our first round is completed. For the second one, make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch, and then again we would make a double crochet into the same stitch. Now we would make a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch, then again make a double crochet into the same second double crochet stitch, then go into the third double crochet stitch and make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it, then make 2 double crochet stitches into the fourth stitch also, and in this way we would just make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the stitch, and we would complete 24 double crochet stitches in the second round. So I have made total of 24 double crochet stitches, 2 in each of the stitch. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch to complete this round. Now start the third round with 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Now into the second one we would do 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, then into the same second stitch, double crochet 2. Now into the third stitch we would make 1 double crochet stitch, then into the fourth double crochet stitch we would again make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet and into the next one make 2 double crochet stitches. So in this way for the third round we would do an increase in every second stitch and we would just complete this third round. So I have made all double crochet stitches of the third round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, make 2 chains and then make 1 double crochet into the same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch, make another double crochet into the next second double crochet stitch, and after these 2 simple stitches into the third stitch we would make an increased stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this third stitch, and after that onto the next 2 stitches we would make 1 double crochet in each double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the next stitch, and then after these 2 stitches into the third one we would do 2 double crochet stitches. So repeat the process and complete all double crochet stitches here. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch and finish this round. Start other round with 2 chains and make a double crochet into the first double crochet stitch, then make a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch, then into the third one, and after these 3 stitches make 2 double crochet stitches into the fourth stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then make double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 2 into the next stitch, double crochet 3 into the next stitch, and after these 3 simple stitches into the fourth stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches because fourth stitch is our increased stitch. So now just complete this round by increasing in every fourth stitch. So I have just completed this round. Now make chain 1 and start making single crochet stitches from this very first double crochet stitch of this round, then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and in this way make single crochet stitches one time in each of the double crochet stitch of the previous round. So I have made all single crochet stitches here. Now we would change the color here. Make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch with this change color yarn. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, and then chain 10. Now start making single crochet stitches from the second chain and make single crochets in each of the rest chains till the end. After completing these single crochet stitches on each of the chain, make a slip stitch into the same single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Then cut it with the help of cutter and then remove the extra yarn strand, and our little branch like thing is ready. And we would attach these 2 leaves. I have made one and I would show you how to make the other one. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, and after making 9 chains start working into this second chain. Make a single crochet in it, then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the second chain, draw a loop, we have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through these 3 loops together to make a half double crochet stitch. Then into the third chain make a double crochet stitch. Into the fourth chain we would make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, and into the same chain double crochet 2. Into the fifth chain make double crochet 1 and then make double crochet 2 into it, like this. Then into the next chain make a double crochet, into the next one make a half double crochet stitch, and after that we have our last chain here, in which we would make a single crochet stitch. One side of petal is ready, leaf is ready. Now we would make single crochet in round, and then we would make a single crochet into the same chain again, and we have turned up for the other side. Now into the chain where we have made our half double crochet stitch, we would make a half double crochet and we would weave the starting yarn end inside this work. Then we would make a double crochet into the double crochet. Then into the chain where we have made 2 double crochet stitches, we would make 2 double crochet. Then into the next chain we would make 2 double crochet again. Then into the next chain make a double crochet. And after that into the next one make a half double crochet stitch, and our last stitch is a single crochet stitch. So into the starting chain make a single crochet, and then we would make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of the other side. Then pull a long yarn tail and cut it with the help of cutter, and this yarn tail would be used to attach this leaf to our fruit. Cut the starting yarn stand and attach these 2 leaves on the upper part of our fruit with the help of tapestry needle. So I have just joined these leaves on fruit. This is a very beautiful coaster. I hope you guys like it. So give it big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.